Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share link in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Sharing link in Adobe Express is a simple process that offers several advantages depending on the purpose and needs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or the design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section right here, wherein you can browse thousands of amazing and inspiring designs to begin your work, and of course, share that link later. If you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click this button. But in my case, I'm going to the Your Stuff section right here in the left side panel of the dashboard, wherein you can access projects, files, brands, libraries, and of course, you can create and organize content in a project for easy sharing. All right. If you click on it, you see there are multiple options for us to be able to share and a link here. For example, this one, there's going to be a 3-dot section here. If you click on it, there is an option that says share. All right. Now, you can add people or groups here. You can type in them. And of course, you can choose if you wanted the only invited people can access this link. Or if you want anyone with the link, just click on this. You can have the option to choose the following if these people can comment or can edit and copy that link and send it to them. All right, it's very easy. Another option that you can do is go to the file itself right here, but just clicking on this button, you would be forwarded to the design itself. And on the upper right corner, there is a section that says share. All right. You can now share this link again, similarly to the effect earlier. Just copy that link. All right. Or only invited people can access. Copy that link and send it to them. Or if you want to copy that link and share it to your socials like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. You also have that option here in the file section. Click on the share, and you would be forwarded here in this same section right here. Because as we all know, a link is quick and easy to share, whether via email, social media, or messaging apps, allowing others to access your design without needing to download or open large files. This is particularly helpful if you are working with multiple freelancers, or if you're working with a client. You might want to do that for easy sharing and access of the design or project that you guys are sharing. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.